Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about penny items because we have surprise pennies and hidden pennies, top secret stuff. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick update on our gain glitch. Yes, it does work. Yes, I tested it out. It does work at old register stores. Now, self-checkout and new registers are a little bit tricky. I'm going to be working on that this week, so stay tuned and turn on your notifications. But yes, this glitch does work. It is a go at old register stores. Now, for anyone who is new to penny shopping, the #1 rule of penny shopping is that we do not ask the employees about penny items. This is not a penny sale. This is not advertised. We are not supposed to know about these items. They are discontinued items that should be pulled off of the sales floor so that we cannot purchase them. However, if they're left out on the sales floor, we can purchase them. The penny policy is posted over on the community tab, but the #1 rule to penny shopping is that we do not ask the employees about penny items. Now, I also want to give a huge shout out and thank you to a few crazy couponers who sent in their penny hauls and some items that they have been finding over the last couple of weeks. So huge shout out and thank you to Laquita. She found tons of the Jack Link's beef jerky. Also, Tiffany, huge shout out and thank you. She sent in a ton of pictures. The rest I will be posting on the community tab because for some odd reason my phone is just not wanting to load those pictures up right now. So I'm going to work on that. And then also huge shout out and thank you to D. Now, if you all haven't heard, we do have some of these categories resetting, like the spring and summer stuff when we had all of those categories that pennied out all at once. Some of those items are resetting, but here we have purple dot baskets that are still ringing up at 1 penny each. So be on the lookout for these. Look high, look low. The UPC codes are on your screen. And again, huge shout out and thank you to Laquita, Tiffany, and D for sending in those pictures. Now, I also want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Paula for sending in a super thanks. Thank you so very much. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into our penny list for this week. So as most of you all have heard by now, we have our fall harvest category going down to 1 penny starting today on Tuesday, December the 19th. So be on the lookout for all of the fall decor, the party supplies. This is a huge category of items. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go. And here's the surprise part. We have some brown dot items that are following harvest and have in fact pennied out today. So for this video, what I have decided to do is go through all of my pictures. I have put together all of the hidden clearance items or items that I consider to be hidden clearance, things that the employees would easily overlook. Maybe they don't have the harvest hang tag on them. Maybe it just says F23 beside the barcode. Maybe it doesn't have any of the telltale signs of a harvest item and it's completely hidden. It doesn't even have an F23 beside the barcode. So I've put together all of those pictures and included them in this video. And then I have also went through all of my brown dot pictures as well, and I have included all of those items that have pennied out in this video as well. Now, are there other hidden and surprise pennies out there that you will not see in this video? Absolutely. I'm still going through pictures. I'm still checking my emails, checking over on Instagram to see what you all send in. And as I get that information and get everything together, I will make posts on the community tab, YouTube shorts, or may post it over on Instagram. So make sure that you check all of those things and stay tuned. Now, when you guys are out there shopping, of course, the basic rules do apply. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and scan. Anything that looks like fall, harvest, pumpkins, sunflowers, scan. And of course, don't forget about all of our other items that have recently pennied out as well. Now, there are a few places that I really want you all to focus on when you go out shopping. #1, the candle section. While a lot of these candles do have the perfect harvest sticker and branding on the front of the candle, these candles are really easy to overlook, especially by the employees who are super busy all the time. #2, flowers. Scan, scan, scan those flowers. We always have flowers that go with the harvest category. So whether it's the single stem flowers or the flower arrangements in the cute little pots, scan everything and anything that looks like a fall flower. Now also check your vases and your coffee mugs. Scan, 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 because those two little categories are where a lot of the hidden pennies and the surprise brown dot pennies are coming into play. So check up and down those home decor aisles and scan, scan, scan. Now, I do apologize if this video is getting out a lot later than normal, but I am working on something special for us for Christmas, so I'm trying to get all of that stuff together. And hopefully, I can pull everything together and pull this off, because I really think you all will really enjoy it. Hopefully, at least get a good laugh out of it. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. Now, as you all are taking a look at the harvest and brown dot items scrolling across your screen, I do want to also go ahead and talk to you all about clearance. You guys will see a couple of slides at the end of this video, and basically you're going to see a big list of flip-flops. This week's clearance list was a little bit weird. I believe I've only seen DG do this once, maybe twice, but this is definitely a rare thing. But they basically sent out this big list, a full page of flip-flops. I think a lot of them are just the $1 flip-flops. Some of them are the flip-flops that are normally priced at $2.50. But I will share the full list with you all and the price where they are going to be today. So some of them are dropping down to 75 cents, some of them are dropping down to 30 cents, and I believe we had one, maybe two at $1.50. So it's not really like a set percentage off, like 50%, 70% off, 90% off. So if you spot any flip-flops, just scan them. The price should show up correctly in your app starting today on Tuesday. I am going to get you all some visuals together. Luckily, your girl went dumpster diving, so you guys are going to hear about that in a future video, and I found a ton of flip-flops, so stay tuned for that. But I wanted to go ahead and give you all a quick little heads up on that. The majority of them, I do believe, are the $1 flip-flops, but like I said, there are some in there that are priced at $2.50 normally, but most of them have now dropped down to 30 cents or 75 cents. Alright guys, now we're almost to the end of the video, so I just wanted to remind everybody one last time, if you do want to send in pictures of your haul, penny finds, clearance finds, whatever it may be, I would love to see it, and I would love to share it with our crazy couponing community here. So my email and Instagram are both in the pinned comment, as well as the description box below. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.